In location of your own, create script called Explicit. On the first line, let's start with shebang, followed by bin bash. On the another line, we can create variable called count and assign value 5 to it. Now we would like to display value of variable count, so we are using command echo count equals $count. Now let's save it and exit the editor. Now we need to add execute permission to our script. Let's do that with change mode. And we can see that script can be run. So let's run it. And nice, we can see count equals 5. It's working perfectly. Open your script again. You may have noticed that I used apostrophes in the echo command. Here, without apostrophes, the script would work just fine. But in some cases, some symbols may be interpreted wrongly, and I will just show you that. Write echo hello backslash just want to display backslash. On the next line, write echo it's a good day to learn, and save the script. If we run it, in output we see that the backslash wasn't even displayed. Also, we see that single quotation mark in its causes some error, as bash is looking for matching single quotation mark which cannot be found. Basically, what this means is that some characters has special meaning, special function, and when we use them in echo command without apostrophes, they are not behaving as normal characters, but as something with special function. Let's open the script again, and in that script, remove the last two lines. Now, let's just use echo command without any apostrophes and without any special characters to see that it is working without any issue. Echo, we have $count oranges. Save the script and run it. You see that it is working well. But let's make some error in assigning a variable. On the new line, write count equals space 6. You know that there should be no space next to the equal sign. When we run the script, we got error saying 6, command not found. Bash thinks that the assigning part is done and that we want to run command 6. Now let's check printing of sentence. Open the script and firstly remove the line causing us error. Count equals space 6. Just delete it. On the new line, we can assign some sentence to variable message. So type message equals hello body and write it without any apostrophes. On the next line, just print that message. message is equal to $message. Save the script and run it. We see that there is an error. Because we didn't use apostrophes when assigning string sentence, bash thinks that the assigning part is only message equals hello, and then is some command called body. It is important to notice that the assigning part message equals hello has no importance when the line continues with some command. You can see here that no value of message was printed. In the output, we see body, command not found. But what happens if we change body to some command which really exists? Open the script and let's make the change. Replace the word body with some existing command, for example, ls. Save the script and run it. Here we see that ls command was printed and I see content of my directory containing only one script. The message variable was not printed as in the last example. We basically come across whole explicit definition and you know now how to assign a variable using this method. But let's finish this lecture with working script which will print us variable value hello body. So open that script and I will add apostrophes, and by that I mean double quotation mark, at the beginning and at the end of value of variable message. Now save the script and run it. And voila, everything works perfectly.